Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybroses. In today's video, we will discuss about the incoming shipment in three steps. Incoming shipment in three steps involves a structured process to ensure the quality and efficiency of received goods. So we just need to input the item, which means we will be receiving the item. Then we have to check the quality of the item. Afterwards, we will be moving the item into the stock. So let's see how can we manage the incoming shipment in three steps in Odoo 18 inventory module. For that, you can just dive into the inventory module. From there, you can find the configuration menu over here and choose warehouses under the warehouse management. So here you would be able to find the warehouse that is created, and I have just choose incoming shipment as receive quality control then store, which is in three steps. So in this case, we can say that the shipment arrives at the designated receiving area of the warehouse, and the goods are unloaded from the transportation vehicles and checked for the damage or dispensaries. And the quality of the item will be received as compared to the purchase order or packing slip to ensure the accuracy. Afterwards, we would be checking the quality. The received goods undergo through a inspection to verify their quality conditions and compliances with specifications, and any defects or non-conforming items are identified and segregated. Afterwards, we control the quality personal document and the inspection result, and any other necessary documents are necessary actions are taken. And when we just move on to the stock or the store, the inspected and the approved goods are stored in the designated warehouse locations, and the inventory system is updated to reflect the incoming stock, including the quantity, then the location details, and periodically physical stock counts are conducted to reconcile the inventory records with the actual stock on hand. So let's see how can we just manage this in Odoo. So for that, you can just dive into the purchase module and let me create a new order. So let me choose the vendor over here. I'm going to choose the vendor as Jackson Group, and we can just add a product from here. I would like to add a new product. So let me just move on to the search button. So here you would be able to find different products, and it also shows the product that are having zero quantity. So I would like to choose a product which is large mating table, and I would like to receive it with 10 quantity. Okay. Afterwards, let's save this and confirm the order. So as we just confirm the order, here you can see that the RFQ is just turned into a purchase order, and here you can receive the item directly from here, or you can just move on to the receipts. So this would allow you to validate the process. So in this case, first we will be receiving the item from the Jackson Group, and the operation is the receiving. So the item will be taken from the Jackson Group and will be moving to the input. Okay, so either you can just manage it from here, or you can just move on to the inventory module. In the inventory module, you would be able to find the different locations like the receiving of the item, the quality control, and all. So here you can see that here we have a transfer that is created. So you can choose this transfer, and you would be able to find all the details over here. Now let's click on validate. Okay. And here you would be able to find the next transfer, which means currently we have taken or received the item from the Jackson Group and just placed in the destination location, which is the warehouse input. So the next step is that to check the quality. So you can check the quality from here itself by moving on to the next transfer. Or you can just move on to the overview, and under the inventory overview here you can see we have one transfer to process for the quality control. So you can move on here, and if the quality is passed, you can again click on validate. So you will be getting the other tab. So in this case, you can see the operation that has taken place is the quality control. So we have taken the product from warehouse input and moved to the destination location, which is quality control. So once the quality is conducted and verified, we can just keep the items in the stock. So either we can just manage it from the next transfer button, or we can just manage it from the inventory overview itself. So let's move on to the inventory overview. So as we just pass the quality, you can see that we have a transfer under the storage. So you can just choose that, and here you can again proceed it with by clicking on validate. So here you can see that the operation type is storage, which means we will be taking the item from the quality control of the warehouse and will be moving to the destination location. Okay, and you can see the moves over here. So if you want to find the moves, it will be showing over here, and you can also find the valuations. As we have just moved that, the valuation is not visible over there. And as you just move on to the large meeting table, here you can see currently we have 10 units in our warehouse, which means we have placed 10 units by successfully placing it in our warehouse. So that's how we just manage with the receiving of the items or the incoming shipments in 3 steps. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.